mela. Ahí canta la mela. Canta la mela. Hello. I need to turn on one more light. 2 secs. On this goes. Whoop. Oh, we got the hairline. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's almost like I did production for years and years and years and years. All right, okay. I had a long day. I slept fucking 12 hours. I slept 12 hours. I want you to fucking like ingest that. I was exhausted. Holy fucking shit. It's been a couple days of just like nonstop building, so it's like I have some shit to get done. I've been testing. I was building a little earlier today, and I had some testing to get done. Basically, yeah, this shit's like, I came across a couple of errors here and there. We're fixing them. We're coming across them. We're doing the things that we need to do. So it's still, I'm still testing backend. I made a little fucking like CLI tool yesterday that basically enables me to access the models and set up workflows and launch workflows. Not too bad. Not too bad. So I'm pretty excited about that part. But yeah, so I need to figure out what the I mean, that part's working. We're getting closer. Ingestion is still a little annoying. I still gotta fucking debug that part, but we'll get there. We'll get there. There's a couple of parts that break with the fucking the repository stuff. If it's not set up already, like there's things that broke and things that are gonna get fixed. So now it should be working. Well, it's going to potentially be working. We'll find out. I'm gonna see how long this can go. Meanwhile, that's running. I'm gonna be working on my other project stuff, like the I'm gonna be working on the other stuff, like the like my main project. So meanwhile, that's running. Hopefully, it doesn't slow it down too much. Hopefully, I can still keep going. We'll see. We'll see. I can't see my chat. Just a heads up. I can't see if anybody talks to me because I'm trying to keep my CPU usage to the absolute minimum. So then, and Chrome is fucking wasteful when it comes to that kind of shit. So I need to figure out a better solution for that. Potentially gonna pop on my fucking my Linux machine and see if I could just use that for a chat window, basically. But it sometimes does. It sometimes breaks on my Linux machine. It's just kind of annoying. It's fine. Okay, let's get to it. Boop boop. Boop boop. There it is. Okay. Let me go ahead and close this. Actually, let's keep that on. Fuck it. You know what? Worst case, we're just testing things. We're not looking to go for like 1 billion miles per hour. Alright, so build defaults. Run workflow. Okay, so it's actually updating everything that I needed to. We've been fucking just spamming Fable today, which not good. I need to swap over to Opus. Let's see, I worked with Fable earlier. Let me see what my, yeah, we're at 26% for the 5-hour block and 3% for the week. 5% for Fable usage. It's okay. So here we go. Alright, so first thing we're doing is build defaults. Yeah. Copied. Here, paste. Save. Loop shell command. So that's the launch workflow. No, this is my this one. CLI interface. Yeah, this is this one. Cool, save. Let's close that. And then this is run workflow, which is my loop shell command. Workflow complete. Oops. Okay, no, we got it. Safe. Okay. Awesome. Do this. Do this.
Assume she just.
Aquí andamos, sacando cositas chidísimas. ¿Qué onda, maestro?
Good idea. My friend came up with a good idea. My friend came up with a really good idea. It's something I thought about a little while back. Let me see. CD dot CD dot CD clear here 2. Job name would be the job name is, what was it again? Shit. Oh yeah, back and build. Oh yeah, now I need to go fucking copy the goddamn thing again. Copy file name. You know what? Here's what we're gonna do. No, not that one. What happened to my notes? There they are. There it is. Plan. Cool. I'll minimize this. I got... Oh, for fuck's sake, I minimized it right as soon as I needed it. Okay. So it's doing its thing. It's gonna be running for a little while. We're gonna see if this actually works. It did do the stuff. It did do a lot of the things that I needed to do already. This was already one of the fixes right here. This part right here. So we got a couple of different things. Eventually I'll replace a lot of this, like the open code stuff, potentially. We'll see. I'm curious. We might use it, but then again we also might not. We'll see. Okay. Clear, and let's go ahead and do this, and let's do fucking... Alright, let's just get to work on the main project again, finally. Fucking models on it. Okay, let's go through the... It's a start of day, I guess. Fucking 7 p.m. today. Technically, I worked on other stuff, but I didn't log it. It's another part of the project, but I just didn't think it was like relevant to. It's in a different repository, so it's like doesn't really make sense to do it from here. This is kind of like my command center. Hey, I slept 12 hours. I should not be yawning and sleepy. No, I should be yawning and sleeping and sleepy. It is 7 p.m. I'm just gonna do it for 2 hours today, and let's see. Like, we'll see how many questions we can get through. We should have most of the things figured out. So if you hear that, that's my fucking computer with the local LLM running right here. You can see all the shit that it's done. You can see the token window is actually fucking opening up. It's like 12,000. We have 200,000 token max, so not too bad. Pretty simple, and that's what we're subdividing those tasks so much in the workflow. Is precisely because of that shit. Not logged here. God damn, dude, that if I pumped in my fucking headphones, it'd be worse. I wish I could just hear my music and not hear myself talk in my head. Woof, dude, that is loud today. I need like headphones that can just listen to music, because if I pop these in, if I turn this off and just pop these in, I think that actually does muffle it a lot. God damn it, dude. I wish I could just pop these in because it's actually louder. Yeah, no, it's fucking louder. God damn it. But I do like listening to the sax. Fuck it. It's worth it. Every once in a while it stops. It'll stop in like another 20 minutes. Usually stops like around 7:30ish. So, in relation to WT5, I think that's actually now superseded. I think we can delete that ticket entirely because I'm no longer using Claude. I'm no longer Cron. I made my own agent. Just tell me what the actual ticket was one more time. This isn't even what we're doing today. So. Nah, I figured out what it was. Basically what it was that every single time you have a new version, you have to clear the permissions for it. Literally every single time it updates. And it updates so frequently that it's crazy. So that's pretty much what was going on there. No errors yet! I'm pretty fucking happy with this. Alrighty. Still reading. Okay. Okay, so I know there's other stuff that we still have to go through, but I think one of the main things that the thing I really want to address today is pretty much just the loop ledger questionnaire. Because I want to launch more workflows. And then we could just go through the tickets one at a time, whatever's still open. I don't give a fuck. We could just keep on through it. Actually, you know what I can do is actually this. Make sure that every ticket that is inside of project priority parked category actually has the category parked inside of the ticket. Like has the note that it's parked inside the ticket. What? I've always used... Wait a minute, what? So, wait a minute. I did not state that that should be an Opus model. It's so mechanical. I launch Opus models as sub-agents during this workflow. Not that I don't use Opus models for the actual reading and relaying of data. That's not what this is for. It's super wasteful to use an Opus model for that. Why is it do wait? Ah, I forgot about the pre-process pass. I forgot about that part. My B, yo. Alright, before we do that, I'm gonna hold that off there because I'm doing this, and this workflow actually touches the tickets, so I can't do that yet. Any errors? Ooh, no errors yet. Oh, buddy, it's working. Oh, please be done already. It's like when it stops, I feel like this like weight in my chest just, it's like I can breathe. Oh my god, it's just so loud. This is so cool. I have a local. It's like my fucking like it's like a knot in my stomach just. It's like drugs when it stops. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off. And now you can just hear my machine going 1,000 miles per hour. It's such a mechanical edit. I kind of want to pause that just so I can do that, but I've already spent 192,000 tokens on that shit. 7:30 it restarts. It's a really low amount for the first day, thankfully. To be honest, I use Fable a fuck ton a day, so thankfully it hasn't been too bad. This is gonna be really crazy once I finish these fucking questions. What is this? Just $100 more. How much is the Steam remote? It's just $100 more. But it's just $100 more, right? Good.
generate a war. No, I'm not kidding. So they posted this from the Department of War's official Twitter account.
What did they say?
Pete Hegseth's Department of Defense is under fire this morning after being caught asking AI to generate a war. No, I'm not kidding. So they posted this from the Department of War's official Twitter account. This is for the Undersecretary of Research and Engineering. And they talk about new AI task forces embedded within the U.S. Pacific Fleet. Fine, pretty standard. But I want to look at this image right here to the bottom left. When you zoom in, it's a service member talking to an AI bot. And when we zoom in even further, here's what it says. I need help building an agent to generate a war. Now, this could have been completely intentional by the Department of Defense, Department of War, whatever you want to call it, to kind of troll people online, or it could be an example of how the Secretary of Defense is just kind of dropping the ball on OPSEC, also known as Operation Security. Many people online latched onto this, showing that the Department of War is once again being ridiculed because of the posts get made. Spread the word, follow the more. Pete Hegseth.
Hi there. Can you give up your next dopamine hit so your brain can rebalance itself? Just take a quick little break with me, okay? Here, place your phone down on your lap, to the side. We'll still be here. Let's just use this opportunity to be present. Let's try to push ourselves to delay that dopamine hit for just a couple seconds. It's good for you, okay? Just be here. Can we extend that to 20 seconds? Take a mental note.
Wait a second, is it just hanging? I can't tell if it's just hanging or not. 2723. I can't tell if it's just hanging. Oh my lord. Is it done yet? Oh shit, it actually kept working. Wait, no, it's still doing. It's still going up. So it's doing something. It is going up. We're at 25,000 tokens. It is doing something. It might be getting fucking bogged down by my other shit. I'm considering moving this entire fucking window over to my fucking Linux machine. I wonder how much RAM this is actually using. Let's see, I have this I can close. This has to stay up. This has to stay up. That can close. Let me see, Chrome. So yeah, like, I need my music. I think I need a separate fucking player, to be completely honest. Why did it make a skill customize open code? Why did it produce this? It kind of produced a weird thing. It has like, it made this thing called customize open code. It's like a skill. I wonder what the point of that is, because that's not part of the thing. Yeah, dude, it's like what the fuck is even this? Is it using a skill or is it making a skill? I have a feeling that it's gonna be like, oh, you're not supposed to wait. Wait. Hold on. Hold your horses. Hold on. It's still running from the last round of fixes, yeah. I mean, it's still going. But what I'm curious about is why is it making a skill called customize open code? Is that a byproduct of closing all the skills, or is that like why would it build that? Ah. I actually am curious about this. Womp womp. Womp womp. And this is why we're working on other stuff. Meanwhile, we're doing this. Pre-process is fixed. Okay. Can we update the loop ledger review to what the when it goes to the like the pre-process steps? Make sure that it launches as sub agents, like Opus sub agents. You know what I mean? Instead of doing the basically being like that way, it doesn't try to tell me to run it as it like I run the main session as a sonnet model, and then I run the other stuff as like sub agents of Opus, like Opus sub agents. So like when I ask questions, I usually want them like answered through an Opus model. And then like the question answering, the mechanical reading and writing of like management of the tickets, all that sort of stuff, that part is just this sonnet model. So as it's asking questions. So I launched this as a sonnet model, and then the sub-agents are Opus for the pre-processing steps, and then also agents for whenever I have a question. Unless I specify a higher model. But usually Opus. Yes. Alright, in the meantime, I also have this. So this is the result of the previous run, not the most recent change that you told me to do. with weird custom open code tool. Kill the current run. Yeah, but it didn't even reach. It reached 26,000 tokens. It definitely is not. Token counts. This is the first thing I sent. Oh, weird. $26,280. How many did I hit? 26,000 total. Weird. Alright. I gotta pee. Oh my god, I gotta pee. My parents still aren't home. They are fucking. It is past their bedtime. Alright, we back. Well, that's what I was trying to do. Alright, so build defaults. I'm gonna keep naming it the same thing. Open fucking notes. Yes, run it. Just as soon as it chills out, it's like, back at it.
We have some big news right now. Epstein news. We're on Capitol Hill right now. I'm with over 10 survivors, and they're delivering the Epstein files to Republican and Democratic senators who are voting on Todd Blanche's confirmation tomorrow. Republicans don't want to read these files, and well, they're going door to door to Republican offices, handing them the files to read. Let me show you. We have some big news right now. Epstein news. We're on Capitol Hill right now. I'm with over 10 survivors, and they're delivering the Epstein files to Republican and Democratic senators who are voting on Todd Blanche's confirmation tomorrow. Republicans don't want to read these files. They're going door to door to Republican offices, handing them the files to read. Let me show you. Right now, they're at Senator Britt's office. I'm going to show you inside. I'm getting mad at me for filming. Todd Blanche's confirmation is tomorrow. And the survivors Republicans who refuse to read them. Specifically, Republican senators on the Judiciary Committee. We have right in front of me. We just went to Mike Lee's office, Josh Hawley's office, John Kennedy's office, and more. And the goal was simple. They want to get the senators to vote now. Well, this is a sword that's not going to go away. Even if Todd Blanche confirmed, these survivors are not going to let go away. So spread the word, and I'll have more updates for you soon.
Who is Todd Blanche?
We have some big news right now. Epstein. This video.
Hay más preguntas que respuestas, ¿verdad?
Alright, now we can apply this. And now we can continue answering the questions. Wait. No. Only the pre-processed one. Why is it defaulting to max effort everything? That's so annoying. High is perfectly fine for the main session. It's literally just reading. Oh god. Then Opus max effort. run this by an Opus model. Run those changes by an Opus model in relation to everything that it had there, because I wanted it to be done through sub agents, but it's such a mechanical process. Like most of it is not. Like only one of those pre-process steps really needs Opus, and it doesn't even really need Max. Can you run that by an Opus model? Please don't make decisions like that. You should not be editing things. It should only be going through an Opus model for edits like that. God damn it, I fucked up. You can git push just this. Don't go through the full workflow or anything. Just basically update, do a git push and update the commit message to reflect what you did. Thank you. Okay. Oh, it's still doing the fucking... Still doing the sub agent for that. Alright, that's fine. Let's do there. That's running. And I haven't even barely touched it today, dude. I'm like... Oh shit, that's gonna drain my battery like a motherfucker. my question is this a default thing that should be done by every workflow regardless? Like, would this be a problem that I would run into pretty much with any workflow? This is like a general question. Then can we make that a default part of the harness? Yes, that's what I was gonna ask. Okay, cool. Let's go back to the first item that we're going to discuss here. Is that item 12? Why are we starting at item 12? It is. Okay, so from my understanding, this was basically just like a naming update for a variable or a function. Let me just double check here. Oh, yeah. So wait, it was already done. Yeah, I remember it getting done already. That's weird that it was still there. Yeah, we can definitely mark the ticket as complete if it was already done. Can we launch a quick Opus model just to verify? I believe so. We'll pretend that my fan is a massive, like a fucking, whatchamacallit. We'll pretend my fan is a, the rain. Ah, fucker! It's still running across that error. We're still running across an error here. But yeah, I'm a fan of that being in the hardness, so that's fine. It got even smaller though, it didn't even have... Oh, fucker. Ah, god damn it, I already fucking... quit the workflow. So I could test it from that point, see what it does. Technically, you're right. But I don't really think I have a tool to be able to... I'm just gonna relaunch it, fuck it. What? I just restarted it instead. Fresh job. See if it does it again. Oh, nope. It just instantly went into a fucking error. Weird. Then kept going. So these errors are just potentially bumps in the road. They're not like errors in the sense of like syntax or like an actual like code error. I see. Well, we learn something new every day, don't we? Yep. Same response. Verify with the Opus model, but I think we should be good to go. Why are we starting from item 12? I'm just gonna mark off for the last thing just because I can see the aborted and I just don't want it to fucking restart.
Let's make some super easy tuna.
All right, let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one, shall we? Oh shit, it's doing the thing. It's getting further. We're almost there at fucking step 1. 1 of 3. I remember now. This is going out of order because it's going through the fucking conflicted or like the air, like the fucking quick ones to knock out first. The target class no longer exists. Merge conflictor. Skip. This is basically what was replaced by conflict detector on the app side, correct? Yep. Now I got you. Green light to supersede, yeah. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Move format size, time helpers, goal, or extract modules, level, tickets, I don't quite understand the goal. Can you give me a little bit more context? But make it brief. Let me see if I can remember. Which files should the promoted module level versions live in? What do they do? They turn a raw byte into... Ah! Isn't there a corresponding ticket for this that basically uses this for the... It's basically translating it for the data collection for the watchdog, isn't it? It's using itself. Let's see how this is turning out. It's... Oh! Wait, no, I'm still in Ingester 1. It shouldn't be reading Ingester 3. Not Ingester 1, it should just be doing Ingester 1. So... So, why is it reading... Then what is it feeding? What's the point of that? Then what was the point of that? But I mean... So in the original case, it was an SFTP. It served a function within SFTP, but it's no longer there. And now it's just basically cleanup. But it's like when you say micro tidiness, it's like, are you trying to say basically like it's actually still feeding something? Like what's receiving it? That's my question. So it's like a front-facing kind of a thing. It's not like a back-end thing. Yeah, sure. You know what? Let's go ahead and apply it. What were my options again? Yeah, so if trash UI handlers is the only one that calls it, then let's just do it there. Hey, is that verify with Opus to see if there's any other locations, but I believe that should be the only one. It's doing stuff. It doesn't have rate available. Yeah, it's a waste. All right, I'll give you I will give you the result. I mean, we're also, this is another reason why I'm also trying to like log within the log file. It should be logging like how many tokens, how long things took. So it's like, I believe that this will also be useful data. My parents are here. I want to say hi to them. Alright, this is the one that it gets fucking stuck at every fucking time. So let's make notes. First we build something, then we fucking make it more efficient. I'm gonna go say hi to my parents real quick. I'll be right back. Oh my god, dude. I'm back. It's a good night to my parents. And I was ate a little bit. Fucking spicy ass food, dude. Woof. $21,000 for that. All right. Whew. Oh, somebody messaged me. Nobody messaged me. God, that's spicy. Woof. We are running at the fucking... Talk about redlining. We are redlining. Woof. I'm choking on spit. God damn. God damn. All right. Multi. Verify with an Opus model that it's already completed. If it comes back correct and true, then go ahead and mark it completed and move on to the next one. Still writing. 21,515. Let's see. No. Goddamn cricket. It's so loud. Well, this one's way quieter. I will say that. You can make your music. Wee cricket. Oh fuck! I have to do this real quick. Wait a minute, it's not doing the thing. Wait, did it? Why is it not? Is my script just bugged out? It's supposed to be going between the two of these through this.